You need to lay a marker with two sizes on a fabric with two horizontal quality zones, for example shade zones. Let AutoMarker lay one bundle on the upper part of the fabric and the other size on the lower part. Start AMC upload and login in AutoMarker. Select the marker to be laid. Select one appropriate profile. Open the editor for smart placement. Click on Advanced. Give a name for the group. Click on the tab Shade Zones and then on Add Zone. Indicate that you have two horizontal zones. That they are distributed proportionally. And that there is one overlapping tolerance between the zones from 12%. Click on OK to save the group definition and close the windows. Indicate a name for the AutoMarker job. If you desire, you can save the profiles in order to use it later again. Send the marker to AutoMarker. And this is the result. The sizes are placed in the different horizontal quality zones. One size is laid on the upper part of the fabric and the other size on the lower part.